This truck camper has a hot shower, a toilet, solar power, a full kitchen, and enough storage for off-grid life anywhere we park. And we built it all ourselves, right into our Ford Super Duty. We wanted to travel simply, stay off-grid, haul our bikes, and build it with our own hands. So we turned this Super Duty into a fully customized off-grid camper, designed for real adventure. And if you want to see the shower system, solar setup, bike racks, or anything else, stick around. We'll be releasing detailed videos about each system. Let us know in the comments which one you want to see first. Let's start in the back. This platform holds a toilet and a full outdoor shower system. It's hooked to our Rooftop 32-gallon water tank and powered by a propane instant heater. This is our queen-size bed, which is the same mattress as we have at home. It sits on a platform we built into the bed. Underneath, we've got a huge drawer that doubles as our workbench and outdoor prep station. On the sides, we built custom racks for our e-bikes. They're locked in place for travel, and we wired in a 110-volt outlet so the bikes can charge from our solar power system while we drive. Up top, we've got 3 solar panels feeding 2 lithium iron phosphate batteries storing 250 amp-hours of electricity. Everything runs off this, from our lights, fridge, water pump, even our diesel heater. Our 65-liter fridge slides out from the back seat and drops down to waist level. Our propane stove sits on the drawer table, giving us a full kitchen that's ready anytime we stop. We added full interior and exterior lighting for camp life at night and installed 360-degree cameras for visibility and peace of mind wherever we sleep. We built this truck camper to explore simply. Everything folds up, charges up, lights up, and lets us live off-grid with comfort and freedom. In the next episodes, we'll break down how we built each system, what it cost, and what we'd change. Subscribe if you're building your own rig or just love national park adventures.